Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Latias from Pokemon. So first we're going to get started with our eye on the left hand side, and we're going to start on the bottom, curving this line around and then up. And then we're going to start on the left hand side here, arching this all the way around and then down on the right. Closing off the eye on the center now, towards the right, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. And then right in the center here, we're just going to draw in a nice big oval. Now let's step across. We're going to come up and draw in the ear. So we're going to arch this over and out on the left. And then starting from that line on the top, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. We're going to start on the left hand side again, drawing in another diagonal line coming across. And then starting from here, we're going to bring this line down. And we're just going to arch that in as we come below our eye. Let's close off the top of the head now. So starting on the top, let's arch this around. And we're going to start to curve that down. We're going to start back on this line here, bringing this line all the way around and then in towards the center. And then from the middle here, we're just going to curve this back around and up towards our eye on the left. Closing off the ear on the top right, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. Again, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out towards the top of our page. And then from that point, we're going to curve this around and down on the side. Let's close off the middle now. So we're going to bring this line across from our eye, curving that all the way across to the right. And then we're going to move underneath, arching this line around and in towards the center. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right, just following that pattern on the top. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move across on the right. Now let's move down and draw in the neck. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small arch line curving out. We'll do the same thing on the left, just making this one slightly longer. Now let's move in and draw the back. So we're going to, on the right hand side, curve this line around and in. And now from here, let's come across and draw in our right arm. So we're going to step across and we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then to the right of this, we're going to arch this line up towards the top. And then we'll move across on the left and replicate that. Let's move over now, coming down, closing off the bottom of the belly, just curving that over, leaving a small gap. And now here we're going to draw in 3 small triangles for the claws on the hands as we come across towards the right. Now let's draw on the back foot here. So we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same as we move down, ending that at roughly the same height. From that point, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in, again, ending that at the same height. And then again, we're going to bring another straight line coming directly down towards the side of the page. And then now from here, we're just going to join these in the center at a point. Let's close off the rest of the stomach. So we're going to come around now on the left and curve this around and up, leaving a gap where we come up to the neck. In the center of the stomach now, we're going to move over and we're going to arch this line around and up. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and down on the left. We're going to continue to arch this around as we come over on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a small triangle. So we're going to start with the middle. And then we're going to move around that triangle and just replicate that again one more time. Now let's draw in the arm on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we're going to again draw in a nice big oval. We're going to connect this in towards the side of our body by bringing that over towards the neck. And then again on the bottom, just drawing in 3 triangles as we come over to the right. Now let's draw in the foot behind on the left. So coming in behind, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in. We're going to bring that down. On the right, we're going to bring another line that comes down and then in. And then again, bringing this down, ending that at the same height. Now from here, like we did in the middle, we're just going to bring a diagonal line that comes up towards the center on both sides. Lastly, we're going to draw in the wings. So we'll start on the right. We're going to start on the back here, and we're just going to bring this diagonal line all the way over and out towards the side of our page. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming in. Now from that point, let's draw this line straight across. And then again, we're going to bring this diagonal line down, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across, and then we'll bring this straight line over and in. Now from here, we're going to connect this to the back, drawing in a diagonal line coming all the way down. And now lastly, let's draw in our left wing. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes all the way out. From that point, we're going to bring this line down. Now from here, we're going to bring this line across. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back down on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line out and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back down on a diagonal towards our left arm. And that is it. That's how you draw Latias from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.